or fish in which uses salt, sugar, and nitrate or nitrite. So the salt inhibits the growth of food spoilage microorganisms by drawing out water into the microbial cell called osmosis. So hi everyone, I'm May, and in this video I will be doing my first experiment, which is the application of curing in skinless longanisa, and I will be using the manual formulation. And also I reduced the formulation of the ingredients into half. So the raw materials and ingredients that I will be using in this experiment are, first, of course, the ground pork, refined salt, curing salt, phosphate, vitamin C powder, chilled water, hydrated TVP, isolate, carrageenan, BF blend, meaty ginisa, meat enhancer, MSG, allura red for food color, pineapple juice, Chinese wine, chopped garlic, ground black pepper, and refined sugar. Materials and utensils that I will be using in this experiment are, first, chopping board, measuring spoons and measuring cups, whisk, stainless spatula, rubber spatula, of course, knife, ladle, spoon, plastic cover, bowls, of course, the saucers for the ingredients. And for the packaging, I will be using PE bags and Ziploc. So before starting the experiment, first, you must wear the complete PPE, which is the hairnet if mob cup is not available, the surgical gloves, the lab gown, and of course the face mask, which is disposable. So all of the raw materials and utensils to be used are all set, and let us start with our procedure, which is the procedure B, protein extraction. First, we have to dissolve the phosphate into the chilled water. So we have to mix it using the whisk. So we must make sure that it was dissolved thoroughly. And after dissolving it, we have to add this into the ground pork that we have. And we will mix it for 1 minute. So we have already added the phosphate into the meat, and now we're going to add the isolate into the meat mixture and mix it for 1 minute. So after we added the isolate, the next step is we're going to add the refined salt and curing salt into the food coloring that we prepared. And then add it into the meat mixture for 2 minutes. So we've mixed evenly the food color, the curing salt, and the refined sugar in our mixture, and we will set aside this. And as of now, I have a bowl here, and we will mix all these seasonings. And I will start with the sugar. mixing the seasonings. And I forgot to tell you that pineapple juice and Chinese wine will not be included in the mixture of seasonings because it will be added later. So for now, vitamin C, carrageenan, and BF blend will be added into the meat mixture. Adding the carrageenan, BF blend, and vitamin C into the meat mixture for 30 seconds. Now we will add the seasonings and the hydrated TVP into the meat mixture and mix it for 2 minutes. So after adding the seasoning mix and the TVP, hydrated TVP, we will now incorporate the pineapple juice and the Chinese wine into the meat mixture. So after incorporating the raw material, extenders, curing mix and seasonings, we will now put this meat mixture in the refrigerator. We will cure it at refrigeration temperature less than 4 degrees Celsius for 8 to 12 hours. So we will put this into the middle portion of the refrigerator. But before that, we will cover this with plastic cover. So we are done with our curing. We cure it in the refrigerator in the middle portion of the ref for 12 hours, and now we're going to do the packaging. So of course I have to use this PE bag. I will put the meat mixture here, and I will get, instead of having 1 tablespoon, I will use 2 tablespoons. So I have to mold and roll. After that, we're going to put this in the PE bag. So the size of your skinless longganisa will vary according to your liking. So this, and then we'll wrap. After that, we're going to knot the end of the PE bag so that the meat will not spill. And here it goes. So here it is. We are done packing our longganisa in the PE bag, and now we will put this into the Ziploc for the secondary packaging, and then of course you have to arrange it well. So we're finally done with the first packaging and the second packaging, and now we'll put this into the freezer overnight, and tomorrow we will evaluate it for the taste that it will give to us.